Hi, I'm Cassie Bednar with Santa Clara County Parks. I'm in the Natural Resource Department. Today we're out at Joseph D. Grant Park with some volunteers from California Fish and Wildlife who are helping us collect milkweed seeds. Milkweed is an important species for pollinators, specifically monarch butterflies, and this species of milkweed that we're out here collecting today is California milkweed, and it blooms a little bit earlier in the season than a lot of other milkweed species. So it's an important resource for pollinators that are migrating through this region a little bit earlier in the season. We can propagate this species in nurseries and in greenhouses so that we can have more plants and more seeds, and hopefully we can use those seeds in future restoration projects in this park and in other county parks.